Hi students, so now we are going to discuss about graph of quadratic polynomial. By using that graph we are going to find the zeros of the quadratic polynomial, and also we are going to verify the zeros. Very important topic this is. So we are getting, so in our new curriculum, so we are getting this question as a 4 marks question, are very important in our 10th class. Now 10th class students, we are going to write the examination. So for that examination, this question is this model question is very important. Let me check. Find the zeros of find the zeros of the quadratic polynomial p of x is equals to x square plus x plus 6. X square plus x plus 6. So x square plus x, sorry, this is minus 6. X square plus x minus 6. So this is a quadratic polynomial. Now we are going to find the zeros of this quadratic polynomial and also verify the zeros by the algebraic method. Now, so to draw the graph of this one, first we have to verify this one by the algebraic method. So what is given? First verification. We have verification. So verification, x square plus x minus 6. So keep this value as 0. X square. First, whenever we need to find the zeros of the polynomial, now we are making the total value becomes 0. We know that when the value of polynomial is 0, so then only we are getting zeros of the polynomial. That real numbers only we are taken as zeros of the polynomial. That's the reason why I am taken the given polynomial as 0, because so I need to make the value of the polynomial as 0. That's the reason why I am equating 0. So whenever it becomes 0, then what happens? This is x square. This can be written as 3x minus 2x minus 6 equals 0, because minus 6 can be splitting into 2 3s are 6. So one is plus, another one is minus, then becomes minus 6. So if you take these values like this, then take x as common. This is x plus 3. Now minus 2 take as common. This is also x plus 3, that is equal 0. Then x plus 3 take as common. This is x minus 2, that is equal 0. Then x plus 3 is equal 0, or x minus 2 equals 0. Then x is equal to minus 3 and x is equal to plus 2. These are the zeros. So now this is the zeros will be spreading up to from minus 3 to plus 3. So that's the reason why, so we are going to consider the table form. So tabular form. So x values. So x values we are going to consider as a table form. Here minus 3 to plus 2. So that's the reason why I am taken one value beside of this one, that is minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. So to draw the neat diagram of the graph, I should consider like this the values. So remind, next value is x square. So next value is plus x. So next value is minus 6. The total polynomial will be splitting like this. So now so what is x square value? X square means what? X square means, so this is minus 4 into minus 4 becomes plus 16. This is plus 16. So this is minus 3. This is plus 9. This is minus 2 into minus 2. This is plus 4. So this is plus 1. This is 0. And this is plus 1. This is plus 2. Plus 4. This is plus 9. So this is x square column. Next, coming to x column, plus x. Plus x means no change. So if minus x means symbols will be changed. This is plus x, that's why it is no change. Minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. So now minus 6. Here these two are variables, that's why it is varies values. But here this is a constant. No, they does not vary. Only minus 6 will come in all the boxes. Minus 6, minus 6, minus 6, minus 6. So now we have to find p of x value. What is p of x value? So this is value of the polynomial now. So we have to find the value of the polynomials in this table. So these are the value of the polynomials. So here, what is the value of the polynomial? So plus 16 minus 4 minus 6. This is minus 10 and this is plus 16 becomes 6. So here plus 9. This is plus 9. So we have to add these values. So this is plus 9 minus 3 minus this is 0. This is 4 minus 2 plus 2 plus 2. This is minus 4. This is plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled. So the remaining thing is minus 6. This is also 0 0 minus 6. So this is how much? Plus this is minus 4. So this is again plus 6 and this is 0. Now plus 9 plus 3 12 minus 6 this is 6. These are the values. Now these are all the given values are values of the polynomial. So here 2 zeros will come because this is second degree polynomial, quadratic polynomial. We already explained that one. What is a quadratic polynomial? Quadratic polynomial whose degree is 2. Whenever the degree is 2, it has 2 zeros. Here clearly it is displaying here all the values of the polynomials here. In these values of the polynomials here 1 0 and another 0. 2 zeros will be there. So beside of the zeros, 2 values also there. So it gives a better understanding graph, and visually it is very good. So let me consider now. So graph. So this is. So we have to draw the scale first. Scale. On x-axis, 1 centimeter is equals to 1 unit. On y-axis, 1 centimeter is equals to 1 unit. So this is scale is very must. Scale is must. So to display this one. So this is x-axis now. This is y-axis. This is x dash and this is y dash. So now the values from minus 4 to 3 we have to display. So minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that. So on y-axis we should consider from, so this is big value is plus 6 and small value is minus 6. Like that we have to take, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. So you can take it as minus 6. So if you want, you can extend this value. This is y dash. So extend minus 6. So now what is the, how to draw the graph? So before going to draw the graph, we have to change the ordered page. What is the ordered page now? So order the page. Ordered page. First one is minus 4, comma 6. Second one is minus 3, comma 0. Third one is minus 2, comma minus 4. Next one is minus 1, comma minus 6. Next 0, comma minus 6. Next 1, comma minus 4. Next 2, comma 0. Next 3, comma 6. These are the ordered page. Now these ordered page we have to place on this graphical sheet. So now minus 4, comma 6. Where is minus 4 on x-axis? Minus 4. This is 6. This is the point now. This is minus 4, comma 6 point. Minus 4, comma 6 point. Next minus 3, comma 0. Where minus 3? So this is 0 is like this only. This is minus 3, comma 0. Minus 2, comma 4. So minus 2, comma minus 4. Where is minus 2? And this is minus 4. Now this is minus 2, comma 4. Minus 2, comma minus 4. This is minus 3, comma 0 point. So now this is minus 1, comma minus 6. Minus 1, comma minus 6. This is minus 1, comma minus 6. Minus 1, comma minus 6. 0, comma minus 6. 0, comma minus 6. Next 1 comma minus 4, 1 comma minus 4, this is the point, 1 comma minus 4. Next point 2 comma 0, where this is 2 comma 0, and 3 comma 6, 3 comma 6, this is the graph, 3 comma 6. Now you have to draw the graph. So you have to draw the graph. You have to draw the graph. So you have to draw with a freehand smooth curve. So whenever it touches minus 3 and plus 2, whenever it touches the minus 2 and by observing the graph, conclusions or results. So results. By observing the graph, P of x is equals to x square plus x minus 6 parabola touches or intersects x-axis at minus 3 comma 0 and 2 comma 0. By observing the graph, P of x is equals to x square plus x minus 6 parabola intersects x-axis at minus 3 comma 0 and 2 comma 0. Therefore, finally zeros of P of x is our set of minus 3 comma 2. So this is graphical method. So for this, verification is must, and tabular column, ordered pairs, and the graph, scale, finally result. Like that we have to write. So we have to write the graph sheet. This is very important concept. So academic standard 5, visualization and representation. So this is very important question. Students, I hope you understand. So you have to practice like this questions. So practice the question. So practice like this question. P of x is equals to x square plus 4x minus 3. X square plus 4x minus 3, or you can take x square minus 4x plus 3. So like that we have to practice these questions. So you may get a good result. All the best to your 10th class examination. Thank you.